Friends, today we'll discuss uh, mAadhaar. What is mAadhaar? How it is useful for the people will use. It is very important mobile app which was developed by UIDA to provide interface to the Aadhaar holders. So Aadhaar holders can download this mAadhaar app, then they can view information like name, date of birth, gender, address, photograph. We can view everything in your mobile without a physical Aadhaar card. This can be used for uh, concerned authorities. You want to show the authorized Aadhaar, you can show it. Lot of benefits are there. Even you can block, unlock biometric. A lot of frauds are happening because of Aadhaar enabled payment or through your biometric. Lot of frauds are happening that you can block whenever you are not using. So what are the benefits? Offline mode, anytime you can show your Aadhaar even though you are not carrying your physical Aadhaar card. So you can, without documents, you can update your address. You need not go to Aadhaar enrollment center directly from mobile app. You can update your address only. And in one mobile, mAadhaar is there means your 5 family members Aadhaar details, you can store it in your mobile. So when you are going out, so somebody asks, you can show 5 your family members or your friends Aadhaar in your mobile app. And you can generate eKYC or QR code service providing agencies. You can generate through mobile app. And very important, you can lock and unlock biometric because a lot of frauds are happening due to your biometric authentication. Even though you don't have a internet banking, mobile banking, you don't have a debit card, still money can be withdrawn from your account with AEPS. So this can be blocked, unblock. Benefits, you can generate Aadhaar services, you can generate a virtual ID and that can be used for availing Aadhaar services. So offline mode, you can check your request status on the dashboard. If you have given a some updation, what is the status, you can verify in mobile app. So help others who don't have any smart. So 5 people can be used in one mobile. So your family members, they doesn't have any smartphone also, their Aadhaar you can upload in your mAadhaar app. So you can get the update history of the authentication record, where and all you have authenticated. In some places you are not authenticated, but it is still showing there may be a suspicious activity. You can block your biometric. So you want to have a special service from the Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Instead of going there, getting the token, standing in a line, then getting your service, getting your request will be completed. You can generate a appointment through your mobile app and directly you can go to Aadhaar Seva Kendra and you can complete whatever the information, whatever the corrections you want, you can do it. And you can get the nearby Aadhaar Seva Kendras also. You can get the information mobile app. Other benefits will be you can download the Aadhaar, update the correction forms. Then you can PVC card also. You can by paying 50 rupees you can get your PVC card, and QR code scanning through mAadhaar is available in mAadhaar. Frequently used questions, whether every registered mobile only you have to use the mobile Aadhaar. No, because already you mentioned 5 Aadhaar can be linked to one Aadhaar, so you need not have compulsory to link it to your registered mobile number. Even one of your family member having Aadhaar, all your family members Aadhaar can be linked to that Aadhaar app. Where can this Aadhaar can be used? Wherever you have to show the valid ID proof, you can show your Aadhaar from your mobile app. So you can view your profile image, Aadhaar profile image, name, Aadhaar number on your dashboard. So any process update Aadhaar details a map, you can like date of birth mobile app. You can't update from mobile app. You should go to mobile Aadhaar Seva Kendra. But in future, you may get this option. At present, only update address can be updated from mAadhaar, and you can see screen like how this mAadhaar can be downloaded from the store. Then what are the services available? You can download your Aadhaar reprint, update Aadhaar address online, paperless offline eKYC, QR code scanner, virtual ID generator, generate QR code, verify Aadhaar, verify email, mobile. Then very important, lock unlock your biometric. Then you can view your Aadhaar name, date of birth, address, everything you can see. So it is a very important mobile app. Please share with your friends, and it will be very useful. You can